Hi everyone, welcome. Today we're going to discuss about how you can change your background picture in Windows. And to change your background picture without wasting our time, you can simply right click on your background on your desktop, just an empty space, then go to personalize. Then when the personalization window opens, you will find background and different other more options here. Under background, we have the drop down menu right here where you can choose picture, and under picture you have different photos that are displayed here. You can simply choose one, and the picture that you've chosen is going to be set to your desktop background. Then next we have the option browse that allows you to set a, any picture that you have in your computer as your desktop background. Under my picture folder, I have slideshow pictures. Then I here have different pictures, and I'm going to choose this one. And after choosing that picture, immediately it's going to be set as my desktop background. Same way, you can go to your file explorer. Then after navigating to your file explorer, again, my picture is located in picture folder, slideshow picture. You can simply select one of your photo or I click on it. Then you simply say set as desktop background. And let me close this window. Close the window. Congrats. So your photo that you've set as desktop background is already on the background. Then here down, you have choose a fit where which allows you to choose any fit you like fit. Fit is going to allow you to fit your picture to your background and leave some space, but you can choose any fit that you want. And from my side, I'm just going to leave it fill, which I prefer. And one more option, we have different more options right here. Let me choose solid color, and this solid color allows you to set your desktop background picture to a set of color. Maybe let me choose this dark blue, and you're going to find that my background picture changed to the color that I've chosen. And right here we have another more option, which is slideshow. And slideshow allows you to choose a folder that contains different pictures, and those pictures are going to be saved as your desktop background. Let me browse. Then I choose my picture, my folder, my picture here or here contains my folder slideshow picture. Let me choose here. Then I have to change picture every, like you just set a timer. Let me set maybe 10 minutes. Then right here I have shuffle. Shuffle allows you to randomly pick any picture from the folder. And again we have a fit, choose a fit. Then right here we have the last option, which is Windows Spotlight, that allows you to change the background picture to different pictures that are sent by Microsoft. These are the updated pictures from Microsoft, and Windows Spotlight only comes with updated version of Windows. If you are not yet updated, you can simply go to your settings, go to your home settings, then you can simply click here to update and security. Then you can just simply check for updates, and once you check for updates, your Windows system is going to download different updates for your system, and you can restart your computer. Once done, you're going to find that you are currently now updated and you have the Windows Spotlight option. And Windows Spotlight allows you to update your background picture without any move or any option you do. Simply make sure you're connected to the internet, and your pictures are going to be setting automatically. That's it for the background. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you've gained something new, please give us the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more helpful tutorials. Share to your friends and to be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.